I'm sorry. This is what I hate. Anytime I have to be serious, I mess up. What's going on, guys? Eid Mubarak to every one of you, wherever you're watching from. I hope you guys are having fun. This video is going to be quite different from my other videos, because in this video, I'm not just going to be doing a review. I'm actually going to go out and test this big boy right here, so you know exactly what it's capable of. But before I go out and do that, I'm just going to list out some of the specs for those of you that might be interested in getting this camera or to know if this is something meant for you. So what I've got here with me today is the Nikon flagship point and shoot camera. It's called the Nikon Coolpix P1000 and it's their flagship zoom camera available right now. So I actually got this as a gift from a very special person. I'm not going to go into details about how that happened, but yeah, I got this now and I've been using it for a few weeks. So I've been trying to master the camera. Anyways, this camera is actually ridiculous. It has one of the most ridiculous zoom lenses in the world, and I've actually tested it out and it's quite impressive. So aside from the zoom, it's also got a couple of features. Got a couple of modes that you can switch between and get different types of photographies or videos. So the most important one for me are the auto mode, where you can just pick up your camera and start shooting immediately, take pictures. You don't need to worry about setting the aperture or the shutter speed or any of those settings. Another cool mode is the scene mode, where you get to play around with modes like portrait mode, time lapse, night mode. I won't really get to use a lot of those features, probably only time lapse. That's that. And then we've got moon mode, which is another ridiculous feature of this camera, where you can actually zoom into the moon, like zoom very close and get clear pictures of the moon. My friend Brian, who is actually a photographer, played around with that and he got some cool pictures which you are going to see. We also got the manual mode, which is for like professional photographers, where you can play around with your white balance, your autofocus, shutter speed, ISO, and all of that. And lastly, another mode I've played around with is the bird mode. So the bird mode actually allows you to take pictures of fast moving objects at a far distance. So this mode allows you to do that quite well. This camera also comes with 4K movie mode, so you can actually record videos at 4K. Unfortunately, you can't record at 60 frames per second when using 4K. So to get 60 frames per second, you have to record at 1080p. So my advice for those that will be using this to shoot videos, when shooting regular videos that don't need to be slowed down, you shoot at 4K 30 frames per second. And when you need to shoot slow motion videos and get those crisp looking slow-mo scenes, you have to take it down to 1080p, and then you'll be able to shoot at 60 frames per second, and then in post editing you slow it down to 30 frames per second and you get the best looking slow motion videos. Also, this camera comes with an inbuilt flash, which you can just pop out like that in very dark settings where you need to use your flash. There's a function button right here that can take you quickly to adjust your ISO and set a timer or take continuous shots, or what we call burst photos. I think that's pretty much all I'd like to talk about now, because I don't want to bore you. This video is supposed to be interesting. So right now what I'm going to do is take this bad boy out, and then I'll shoot a couple of videos. My friend Brian is actually going to help me shoot the videos where I test the zoom capabilities of this camera, and then I hope you guys find it interesting. Let's go. So guys, quite a distance from my apartment right now, and I just came this far to see how well the camera can do at a distance to get quality images and videos. I really hope this looks nice, because I don't want to do this take again. I've already done it quite a number of times, but so as you can see, the sun is really hot. So I hope this video looks really good, and I hope the audio quality is good as well. I'm probably about 500 meters from my apartment. This is like really one of the cool features about the Nikon Coolpix P1000. So as you guys can see, the zoom lens on this camera is quite ridiculous. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get the kind of scene we were looking for at a very far distance. The microphone wasn't picking up sound. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm actually going to point out something about this camera. It's quite heavy, so for those of you that want to like do day-to-day photography and take this out and, you know, just shoot anytime you want, you need to take note of that. For those of you that need a compact camera that would be lightweight and easy to use, this might not be the best for you. And also, one thing you should know, it's you can't change the lens on this. This is the only lens you get with this camera. That's pretty much all about my review for Nikon Coolpix P1000. I hope you enjoyed my review on this camera. If you do, please like, comment, and share as well to your friends. See you in the next one. Peace.